you can see what everything I have to deal with, right? And yeah, we have more to come for sure. Last upload, you guys saw that I have a problem with my side steps. They don't work, right? And but I think I got a solution. A lot of you guys told me about the fact I should get the amp power steps, but Rough Country has the new e-boards as well. The only difference between both, it's the High Country one requires a magnet to trigger the boards. The amp one is just a plug on your OBG. So what do you guys think I should do? Let me know, because I think this is gonna be the next move. Even though we can make this work, maybe changing, I just don't like this one. This one is too big, it's chrome. The other one, it's settled, like you don't even notice it's there. So I think that's the one I'm going. Now I just need to decide which one, all right? So you let me know, what do you think? Oh, by the way, the difference between 800 and 900 bucks. Of course, Rough Country is on the cheap side, but I never had an issue with anything from Rough Country. So the other thing is, I have noticed that I'm holding back myself from making videos because I want to give you guys, you know, important stuff and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna change the strategy, and I'm gonna be myself as I was before, right? So I know a lot of you guys miss the Colorado, but hey, it's gone. And that, it gives me the motivation to make that truck even better than the Colorado. And we're gonna start now. Let's do this. There are two things we're gonna do today. As you guys saw on the thumbnail, I'm gonna do the flag. If you guys don't remember, I had a flag on the Colorado, which was, I love that flag. And the goal is to do the same here on the Silverado, right? So, but to do that, we need to get rid of the High Country emblem, which you can see it's all messed up. And it's okay, because I'm gonna do something else as far as badge goes. Once we do the color matching, it's gonna be insane. So we're gonna get rid of this. And of course, this one stays with the emblem in black, which is gonna be color match here as well, but not now. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna remove the letters and this emblem, and then we're gonna clean the tailgate, and then we're gonna get the flag. "13 minutes later, and we got a bunch of 3M tape. Man, this tape, it's ridiculous. I use a bunch of the Corvette, so I know how good it is, but if you need to remove, but I'm glad the GM used this one. Silverado lettering later, and oh, sorry, and the High Country. So this emblem was so in there that got damaged. I don't know if you can see it, but now, with everything out of the way, I have this strip, LG strip light, which I don't know why it doesn't work. If it works, I would leave it here, but it doesn't work. So I'm gonna remove that before we wash the tailgate. I'm gonna clay bar and get rid of this, and then maybe I'll polish here, and we're gonna apply the vinyl. It's a blow fuse, but what kind of fuse is this though? I'll give it a try on a 10. White on white and red on red. There we go. but just half of it. Oh, because it broke. But it works, see? And it smells. Yeah, this is shot. You see, only one side works. So only one side works, but definitely was diffused, but somehow broke in the middle. Maybe because it was hanging, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we try it, dude. The style that I'm going with for my truck doesn't, those things that don't fit. Those are for old people. No, I'm kidding, I like it. Putting a decal, it's like paint, right? Everything is on the prep. So as you can see, now we have a blank canvas to work with. Should be fine. The only thing I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just, you know, come with alcohol to make sure the flag is gonna stick, because I didn't show you guys the flag, right? It's pretty much the same flag I had on the Colorado though. The only difference is this was made by my good friend Brian. So Brian, he has a company that he does all the vinyl, t-shirts and everything. So if you want to check him out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Just make sure you know, tell him that Maddie sends you. He can ship anywhere. So this was pretty well done, and I'm glad to support my friend's business. So if you don't know Brian is the guy with the C4. They always hang out with me at Corvettes at Carlisle. So he can do anything. He did actually this decal here. See, this one here was made by him as well. Huge shout out to Brian for made me that flag that's gonna be on that tailgate, and let's get into it. As I said, isopropyl alcohol, microfiber, and clean. The alcohol removes any imperfection and let the vinyl stick on it better. Challenge number one is I'm by myself, so that's why I'm using tape. Screw the tape. Feels like we are getting back on trucks. Man, this feels so good. I'll tell you what, if you want to do this, I'll give you a couple tips, right? So the difference between the Colorado and this one has this little, you know, angle here and here. As you can see, the Colorado is pretty much a flat, as far as I remember, it's like it's a flat tailgate. This one it's not. So the factor that this flag is in many pieces makes harder. You guys saw that I was a little, you know, fighting against it. So I would suggest you to cut like here, and you do this install of this part, do that flag. I got a couple bubbles here, as you can see. You're not gonna be able to see it, but here also got a little couple bubbles here and there. But pretty much done. The truck is looking nice. We are getting back in trucks though. I'm super excited. I'll tell you what, I'm more excited than the Corvette, to be honest. So look at that. Now it has my signature on it. The next step's probably gonna be side steps, because that's functional though. I use the truck a lot. My son get in and out of the truck, you know, basically every day. I take him to school and it's not nice like this on this truck. So I really need these steps. Just started raining, look at that. I'm not sure if you guys are following me on Instagram, but yesterday was my 10-year anniversary that I moved from Brazil to US. And what a great experience, what a great way to celebrate my 10-year anniversary. So thank you so much if you have been around. I didn't make videos until 5 or 6 years mark that I was here, because first I was afraid of my English, second I didn't have the truck or the car to make content on. So once I started, I really appreciate everybody who is here since the beginning. I know we change a lot, you know, we have truck, we have cars, we have garage. A lot of people said because I sold the Colorado, but that's also, everything is a part of a cycle, and everything is part of my history here in the US. I'm super grateful to have the opportunity to live here and to carry the flag, to call America my home. I know you guys have no idea how hard it was to let my family and friends behind, although I came here because of my wife. But it's still super hard, and the YouTube is just a way to, you know, vent all my passion, you know, make connections. I try to be very transparent, things that I like it, things that I don't like it, so things that I'm learning. So what a great experience, 10 years here in US. And I know a lot of you guys really like the content, so I appreciate it if you have been here since the beginning, and I'm trying to keep it up. So I'm getting older, not getting any younger, more experience, but we still make mistakes and we learn along the way. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. Let me know what you think about the tailgate, and don't forget to let me know about the power steps. That's probably coming really soon. I just need to figure out which one. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Never forget, enjoy life and work hard for it.